Are you running a small business? That is not so small anymore. You may have started with a few employees, until one day there were 100, and it only keeps growing. A lot of people means a lot of work. That's where we come in. Introducing People's HR Turbo, the HR and Payroll Software for small businesses with not-so-small HR demands. We make managing people much easier, whether it's your first time using an HR solution or if you're simply making the switch, giving you control of everything from start to end, while helping you every step of the way. With faster implementation and 24/7 support. Not to mention, guaranteed data security. We are compliant across multiple regions. Created with mobility in mind, we make it easy to plan remote work. A feature-packed and robust HR solution to get your HR going. So no matter how much the business grows, we're here to make HR easy. Book a demo with us today.